Well, I hate to break it to you, it's not 19 fucking 50 anymore. You can't buy a house with a minimum wage job. Although you don't have to make that much money to buy a house. You just have to be willing to fucking work hard. And yeah, that's what all the boomers say because it's fucking true.
So I saw this video and I just had to make a response. So in this episode of Fact Check, let's go to the whiteboard and go over everything he just said. Alright, so in that video he said he bought his house using an FHA loan when he was 21. Let's plug that into 2022 and see exactly how much it would cost for us to own a house. So let's talk about having a mortgage in 2022. Right now, in the year 22, the national average for a home price is around $300,000, so that's what we're going to use. According to him in his video, he used the FHA loan, which is a Federal Housing Administration loan, which only requires you to put down 3%, which is going to be $9,000 of that $300,000 home. Right now in Georgia, if you have an interest rate of 7.20, the Georgia average right now is 6.9%. Then you got to add in your monthly cost for your property tax, which is going to be $3,750 yearly. And then you got to add in your homeowner insurance, which is going to be $1,050 yearly. And if you add all of this together, you would need a grand total of $2,318 a month just to afford your mortgage. Meaning that you would have to make over $100,000 a year just to be able to make your mortgage payments every month. So with that being said, stop telling people that they aren't working hard enough and that's the reason why they can't afford a house right now. Right now, the housing market is a scam and I dare anybody to stitch this and fact check my numbers.